Hey, well, hey, look what I got. I got new clothes, girl. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as you know, I lost 60 pounds over the last year and I'm still losing weight. So I didn't want to buy a whole wardrobe because I knew I would be losing more weight. But at the same time, I could no longer wait because my clothes are falling off me. Like I have this one dress. When I put it on, it drags on the floor. It didn't used to, but now it drags on the floor because I lost weight. And so I have to belt it and then pull the dress up through the belt just to get it off the ground. And I'm like, girl, this is ridiculous. You can buy some stuff. So I found a pair of pants, wide leg pants that I love, and I have them in light blue. This is a, and so I got them in two more colors. Like how I do is if I find something I like, because it's so rare to find something that I like and that fits me well, I'll buy it in multiple colors, right? So I got the very light blue. I think they're in the dirty clothes. They need to be washed. And then so I just got the dark blue ones, dark denim in them. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. And then I just got this white top. The only thing I don't like about the clothing today is that it's so thin. You can see through it, so you can see my bra. So I definitely have to wear something over this white top. Um, but I love the way these fit because they're okay. So you see the elastic in the back. Can you see that? It's elastic in the back, which is great because usually if I'm getting pants big enough to fit my thighs and my bottom, they don't fit in my waist, and then it's a big gap back there, right? And it's not cool because who wants to be pulling up all the time? Or if you belt it, it's still a gap and it's just irritating. So glad I found these. I love them, and yeah, the top is good. I just have to wear something over it or a tank top under it, and then the pants are great, a great length. They come all the way to the bottom. So I love that. I love that. Okay, let me show you what else I got. Okay. I don't know why this shirt is being so difficult. Like when I try to tuck it in the back, it keeps like wrinkling up and coming out. I'm not gonna worry about it. But I like the shirt. What I wish I would have got some bodysuits. I saw some, but the challenge with the bodysuits is that they ride up. I hate that. But okay, so I got this top in four colors. I got black, white, this green, and red. Because like I said, if I find something I like, I'll just get multiple colors in it. And so yeah, I like this top. Same dark denim pants. But it's like, okay, I have clothes that actually fit me. And I paid very good, I paid lots of attention to the fabric because the clothes I bought before I came to Malaysia, like almost a year and a half ago now, were all polyester, right? I went on Shein and bought a whole bunch of stuff that I thought was going to be heat friendly. Pants 100% polyester, tops 100% polyester. I've been walking around in plastic clothes the last year and a half and just burning up, just hot all the time. And so these are denim, of course. And then this top is Lycros. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I made sure it wasn't 100% polyester because I'm like, I'm not doing that again. And it's so hard to like find clothes that are non-polyester. Like everything's polyester now. And so, and one of the challenges I have here is that I think I might have mentioned it to you before. They don't really have plus size clothing here. They have two stores. One is for my Muslim ladies, and so it's all appropriate for that hijab and everything. And then the other one, the clothes are just not it. So I once again had to turn to Shein, and everything on Shein is like, girl, it's polyester. So I had to. I'm searching for hours, 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 looking at the description, looking at the fabric, and you can't really search. Like the search. If you just search, well, you got to know what the different fabrics are, right? Outside of cotton and polyester, you have to know what other breathable fabrics there are. And then when you search them in the search bar, it doesn't pull up everything. It might pull up a couple things. It might pull up nothing. I had one search that didn't pull up anything, and so I'm just like, can please help me find clothes? But anyway, I found some stuff and I'm happy about it. So yes, 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 yes. I still kind of like this little. I know it's little, but I'm just. It makes me want to get a bodysuit, but again, the bodysuit's right up. So pick your heart, Raven. Pick your heart. Okay, let me show you what else. Dare I say, I like the red top, but I feel like it's more of a red orange than a the red that looks good on me is the red that has a blue undertone, right? So my red lip that I wear all the time, has a blue undertone. Orange doesn't really look right on me. Or maybe it's these pants. Okay, so these are the pants. This is the third color I have. So I have the light blue, the dark denim, and these are black. But I'm not really liking them. And there's a, I don't know if you can see this. Hold on. I'm looking on my watch to see. Yeah, when I look at this, it looks definitely, it kind of looks orangish. But there's a, there's definitely, that's the only thing too. When you, there's definitely a defect right here. When you can buy the same pants in multiple colors, and the different colors will have different sizing. Like I feel like these legs are much looser, even though they're the same size, same pants, and they have a defect here that they don't have on the other side. So I think I'm gonna send these back, and I think I'm gonna send this red top back. But I got this top, like I said, in red, green, white, and black. I got two of black because I know I just wear black. I think I'm gonna send these pants back because I don't really like the black pants. Maybe because they're more like a, instead of like a true black, they look kind of like they have white sprinkles throughout them. Anyway, I don't like them, and it has a defect anyway. So I think I'm gonna reorder the light denim and the dark denim, and then maybe another color of this top because there were multiple colors of this top. And yeah, so that's what I got. Oh, and the top that I had that has the long sleeve white top, I got it in long sleeve black as well. So yeah, that's it. So I have, yeah, so once I finish, I'll have five of these, right? Two black, one white, the green, and then one other color to replace this. I have the two long sleeve shirts, white and black, and then I'll have four pairs of the denim, two dark denim, two light denim. And so yeah, that'll, I can mix and match those for a little while. I still have pieces from the clothes I had before, like, so, you know, I still have some dresses and I still have the polyester clothing, but I'm gonna get rid of a lot of the polyester because it's bottoms and tops I got. Again, same thing, same pants, different colors, same tops, different colors, and I've just been mixing and matching them. But I'm gonna get rid of most of those. I'll probably just keep the all black because I have a black top, black bottom. Yeah, that's probably the only one, and I'll get rid of the rest because it's all plastic and it's just hot. And I'll just mix and match these as I continue to release weight, and then when I get down another 60, because I think I have 80 to go, I'll get some more stuff. So yeah, okay, that's it. I'm excited. I'm happy to have some clothes that fit, that not only fit well but look nice. It's like, it's awesome. Okay, bye.